Hey, it's new moon day today. Another beautiful time to put your wish out into the universe. Another beautiful time to plant your desire out and wish and hope for it to come true. Why do we do it on a new moon? Because new moon is a time when there is nothing in the sky. It is a blank, right? Similarly, we also put our wish, our desire that we want to manifest out into nothingness because it's a start we are making. And just like the lunar cycle has begun with this new moon, we see along with the cycle how our wishes are also coming to fruition, how they are also coming, they're growing with every day. And then when we finally see that full moon happen, so beautifully, the whole cycle has come to completion. We visualize, we manifest similarly our own wishes coming true, our own desires, coming real, becoming real. What to do for a manifestation, wish manifestation technique? It's basically nothing. Writing your wish out on a blank piece of paper and letting it out into the universe. But there are a few pointers I would like to bring to your notice. What must you keep in mind when you're writing that wish so that you are more aligned, for the manifestation to happen? Number one, your wishes, your desires should be very realistic. They should be very, very in your, achievable. So definitely, like for example, I want to be very wealthy. Yes, all of us want to be wealthy, We definitely want to be better than what we are right now. But if I just immediately, if I plant a wish, I want $1 million. Yes, okay, fine. I am writing the wish and I am putting it out. $1 million, if it is for your higher good, you will surely get. How long will it take to happen? Well, that's a longer process, and it also depends on the efforts that you're going to put in on your own. So that is why if there's a desire of a better financial stability or a better financial position in your own life, you can write it down. I am happy to receive X amount of money. I am happy to be financially independent. So what I'm trying to again say is, let that desire that you're putting out, let that wish that you want to manifest be realistic. Realistic because it should be achievable by your own efforts also. Unless you put in your efforts, the universe will help you. It'll come together to make things happen for you. But nothing is going to happen if you don't put your efforts in it. So that is why I'm saying keep very realistic goals. Keep very, very, achievable goals. Your desires should be something you can achieve and have faith in it. Very important, of course. So that is number one, that it should be your goals, your desires should be very realistic, very achievable. Number two, whenever you're writing your wish, whenever you're writing your desire on that paper, make sure you write it in the present. You're writing in the now. It's not something it is definitely something you want in the future. You want something coming to you. But when you're writing it down, you have to write it in the now. Like if I want to be healthy, if I'm suffering from a backache, so I will write, I am happy to be healthy. I am happy to be free of backache. So I am writing in the present, and I'm also writing in the affirmative. Another very key important factor, that your sentences, whatever you are writing in your wish manifestation, it should be in the affirmative. Please do not use any words or any vocabulary that has any negative understanding. So these are the three things. Your wishes that you write, they should be achievable, doable. Number two, it should be written in the now, in the present tense. And third is that it should be in an affirmative sentence. So I am going to show you an example I have made over here along with some healing codes as usual, to how to do this, how to make this, wish list, and how to do the manifestation with the universe. So this is it. Like I have asked for health, for example. So I have written, I am happy to be healthy, mind, body, soul, our spirit. And these are the numbers I have now written further. You can see and you can write down. One thing is there, please write these numbers in green. And as I have written, kept the spaces in the numbers, I request you also to please maintain and honor the spaces similarly. So the first number is 20 space 61 space 416. This is the number for good luck. Next number 27 space 41 space 300. Next number 25 space 21 space 064. Next we go is 719 481 71, 519 space 7148. Another number 5189912, and the last number we have used is 894 space 719 space 48. These numbers, as I told you, these numbers are for multiple aspects. Good luck, it is for a miracle, for manifestation, then for everything is possible. It is another, then another number is for materialization of your plans and your thoughts. Then another number, this number is for, to get quick results. So yeah, these are the numbers we have used, a combination of numbers that we are writing along with a wish, so that when we put this desire out, when we push this, put this wish list out into the universe, we are absolutely putting all our intention, all our efforts, and all our focus onto putting our trust in the universe, that it will help us to make our dreams come true, to make our wishes come true. So go ahead, use these numbers, please. You can write any wish that you desire. As I said, I have used it for health. You can use it for abundance. You can use for prosperity, for wealth, for a job, for a partner, for harmonious relationships. Whatever you are wanting to manifest in your life, please go ahead and do it today on a new moon day. Once you write this wish, just fold this paper and keep this paper somewhere close by, in a drawer, in a shelf, somewhere which is easily accessible, and try to visit this paper at least once every day. Look at your wish, read the numbers along with the spaces. So if the number is 20 space 61 space 416, so you will say, as you're reading the numbers, you will say 20 61 416. Maintain the pause when you are reading the numbers, when you read your list. And do this once every day, and as you will see the moon, as I said, taking shape, coming to its fullness, you will see and you will feel and you will connect also with your own desires coming true, coming you will feel them manifesting. Appreciate, acknowledge, and be in gratitude for the smallest of the things also that are working towards your favor, towards this dream or towards this wish that is coming true for you. So here it is. I wish you all the very best. I pray all your hopes and your wishes and dreams come true with this wish manifestation. And yes, go ahead, let the power be with you when the universe is giving it to you. God bless.